Hey YouTube, JW. Got a new automatic in. I want to let you guys take a peek at today. Been wanting one of these for a good while, and finally decided to pull the trigger on one. The Mikov Predator, made in the Czech Republic. I'm sure most of you guys are probably familiar with this knife. It's been out for maybe 10 years, but I've always been a fan of one, and I remember when I saw the blue scale version. They got blue, red, yellow, all the colors, and I really like blue knives, and for some reason I just never bought one. I don't really know why. No good reason. Maybe always something else came up, but I saw these were going out of stock on Blade HQ, and that's where I got it from. So I decided to go ahead and grab a blue one, because I hate it when I don't get something and then they're gone, and then I wish to hell that I would have. So I've had this for a few days, and I've messed with it. The results are in on these knives, so they're very good. I've never seen anybody really have a bad thing to say about it. It didn't come with the box. It just came in a plastic sleeve. I think I paid $75 for this, and I really like the ABS scales. They've got some more upgrade ones with horn, stag handles, bones, stuff like that. I'm kind of an oddball. I like just plastic colored knives. Like I said, made in the Czech Republic. Flip this up. Fire's nice. You can flip that down. See the Mikov logo. Dagger style blade. Is pretty sharp. Edge feels pretty good on it. Good grind. Feels good in the hand. I wish that it had a pocket clip, really. The specs on it: 8.5 overall, 3.75 blade length. It's 420 blade steel, so it's nothing spectacular, but it'll get the job done. I paid $79.95 for this knife. It's designed for everyday carry, just a rugged, heavy duty. I wouldn't say budget. This is out of the budget realm, in my opinion. But the handle length is 4.75. What they call a polished finish on the blade. Dagger style. 5.2 ounces, so it's not too bad. Blade center looks pretty good. Lockup is no side to side, just a little bit of rock there. Not bad. Really like the looks of this knife. Plain, coffin style, Coke bottle, maybe style. And by now this is really a classic auto. classic automatic knife. Figured I'd get if I never get another one, I'd just get the blue one first. I think it really pops. And I think this is probably a knife that needs to be in every automatic knife collector's collection. I would imagine by this point. They've had a good run. I talked to a guy yesterday that's had one for 10 years that he has carried. I don't know if that entire time, but at least 4 years, and his still works good. So they're definitely a solid piece. The construction, the fit and finish is good. Really can't say enough about it. I really like this knife. I'm really happy that I finally decided to get one. So, like I said, I got this from Blade HQ. A lot of these are going out of stock. I mean, I'm sure there's plenty available still, but a lot of different colors. A lot of the higher end ones are all gone. The Stag and etc. And some of the colored ones are gone. And I think they had a green version that was on sale for like $60, which I really like too. Red, yellow. So if you're interested, yeah, pretty nice. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for following me on Instagram. I'll put a link to that below. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.